Okay, I'm back here on Apple. I have just shorted 500 shares at 175.76. We can see it has had a decent run up here. This is a 5-minute chart right into resistance from a few days ago, which is 176, also a whole number. So I'm in at 175.76 and gonna let this one play out a little bit. Not looking for the biggest target here. Maybe we can get down to near the half, so it's going to be a smaller trade, maybe looking for 25, just 30 cents. Okay, so I'll pause the video and be back. Okay, so the trade's starting to bear a little bit of fruit here. You can see here, kind of came up to the whole number 176, which was the level I mentioned earlier, which was some support earlier, and now, but it's below it, it becomes resistance. And it's also had a very nice move up. You can see here all green candles for about an hour, and you can see on this corresponding red candle down here, very high volume. So that's a good sign that there's some volume on the selling. So we're still going to wait this out. I'm going to try to close out near 50 cents if I can. Okay, I also got filled on a UGAZ long. Let's pull up the chart here. I'm in at 51.28. I just had an order sitting out there for about an hour and it got filled. So we're going to see how that one plays out. Only have 100 shares on that, so I got some room. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the UGAZ is working. I'm up around 50 cents in the trade. Only have 100 shares, but this one is quite volatile, so I wouldn't count that at all right now. You can see from my earlier vid today, was at 54, it came all the way down to 50. So it has a lot of volatility. So I'm up 52 cents in that with 100 shares in this Apple. I have an order to fill all 500 at 175.46. Not sure if it's going to get there. It might in fact get there, but be a slow burner, and I might not want to wait around all day and cover a tad early. Because best thing about this biz is you make your own hours and you can leave when you want, and especially if you're already up nicely on the day, which I am, you don't always want to stick around. So even if this Apple trade goes to where I think it will, if it doesn't go in the time that I want it to, I'll just cover for a smaller gain. So you can see here, the UGAZ is continuing to work up around 70 cents. And to be honest, on this Apple trade, I got in not the prices that I would have liked. I got in at 175.76, and I would have liked maybe like 86 or 90. And had I got filled at 90, I probably would have covered a little bit or all of it by now, just because I would have had an extra 10, 15 cents, which on 500 shares equals around 75 bucks. So I can take that into account, that I should have been patient or got a better fill, and I would be out instead of trying to get a better exit here due to a worse fill, which can often bite you in the ass. But you can see here in the chart, looks to be getting a little bit weaker here. You got the 5-minute 20 moving average here, which is the purple line, which is the moving average, the average price of the last 20 candles. Anyway, so I'm going to pause this. Hopefully getting close to my fill. I got to fill at 46, and UGAZ is continuing to work. Okay, about 10 cents away from target here on Apple. 54 is the bid. I got an order in here. You can see at 46 to fill. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and cover early here at 53. Don't feel like waiting around with the half. So just got filled there. That's $117. And I'm going to let the UGAZ ride up 93 on the day, up 13.25. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed the vid.